Today we are going to discuss our third module. Actually, in third module, this topic covers teaching and programming methods of a robot. I just give an introduction to this teaching and programming methods today, and in the next classes we will discuss it in detail. Let's see teaching and programming method. What is the difference between a teaching and a programming method? Okay, usually a robot should be taught with different ways, and usually that is divided into two types. That is the teaching of a robot in two types. One is teaching and other one is programming. So these are the two types of teaching methods available not to teach a robot, a task, right? Let's see what is teaching. That is the method in which the robot arm moves physically from point to point in the series. In teaching method, the robot arm is moved from one point to the other point physically during the teaching period, right? And let's see what is programming. In programming method, there is the method in which the robot does not move physically in teaching stage from point to point in the series. So in teaching method, the robot arm should move from one point to another, and in programming method, it does not move from one point to another. So let's see what are the different types of teaching methods. In teaching methods, we can divide that method into two types. That is teach in and teach through. Teach in and teach through. In teach in, the robot is moved by means of switches. I already said that we have to move the robot arm physically from point to point, or to teach that particular task to a robot by moving it from one point to other point physically. And teaching method, we move this robot arm with the help of motors or switches. So by playing the motor, it will move, and by stopping, it will stop, and we record that particular movement, and we can play back this movement in next time with the help of teach box. Okay, and in teach through methods, that is the second method in teaching. Second method in teaching, that is we move the robot hand or arm with the help of. So in teach through method, the teaching is done with the help of, or teaches move the hand. In teach through, teaching in which there is a teaching in which the robot is moved with the help of hand. We moved the robot arm with the help of human hands. If it is in industry, it is very difficult to move the robot arm, so we get support from force sensors like that. Okay, so I repeat the topic, that is teaching and programming method. In teaching method, we have to move the robot arm physically from one point to the other during teaching time. And in programming method, we does not move robot arm from point to point. Teaching method is further divided into two types, that is teach in and and teach through. And in teach in, we move the robot arm with the help of motors and switches. And in teach through, we move the robot arm with the help of our hand. Okay. And again, programming method is also further divided into 4 types. And in this, the point in the path of the motion are defined. If we select a particular point, we can divide that particular points into coordinates or different length points. Okay, so that path of motion are defined into different points and give it to the controller without having any knowledge about the end effector or without the help of a robot arm, without moving the robot arm. We take that particular workspace, we assign some points, x-axis, y-axis, etc. Okay, so coming to the different types of program method, that is, we further divide into 4 types. Defining of coordinates by the computer, that is the first one, define the coordinates by the computer. Second, shifting coordinate system, it's a multitasking system, shifting coordinate system. We will find it in the detail in the next topic. Third one is vision sensor and a pointer, use of vision sensor and a pointer. And finally, world modeling. Okay, so these are the 4 types of program methods: define of coordinates by the computer, shifting coordinate system, vision sensor and pointer, world modeling. Okay, thank you.